Profitable Trading with Smart Money Concept Indicator. In this video, we will explore the Smart Money Concept Indicator and delve into trading strategies employing this indicator. Additionally, we have conducted backtesting with the Smart Money Concept Indicator for day trading, specifically on a 1-hour time frame. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. When discussing the smart money concept, we certainly cannot overlook key elements such as chalk, change of character, BOS, break of structure, order blocks, and fair value gaps. The smart money concept indicator itself provides all the tools necessary to identify change of character, break of structure, order blocks, and fair value gaps. This makes it easy for you to comprehend and engage in trading using the smart money concept. Before delving further into the Smart Money Concept Indicator, let's go ahead and add this indicator to our trading chart. Now, let's enter the TradingView application and navigate to the Indicator Search tab. In the search bar, type Smart Money Concept and select Smart Money Concept from Algo. Let's now discuss and configure the Algo Smart Money Concept Indicator. There are several things that can be adjusted in this indicator, including 1. Mode. In the mode options, you can choose between historical and present settings. If you choose present, the indicator will only display the most recent data. Meanwhile, if you select historical, the indicator will show previous data as well. 2. Style. The style option determines the color of the order block area. You can choose between colored or monochrome. If you choose monochrome, the order block area will be colorless. Whereas, if you select colored, the order block area will have distinct colors. Red indicates bearish order blocks, and blue indicates bullish order blocks. 3. Color candles. The color candles function is to apply color to the candlesticks in the event of a change of character. If the candlestick is green, it indicates a bullish trend. However, if the candlestick is red, it signifies a bearish trend. 4. Show internal structure. This option reveals signs of break of structure and change of character. If you activate this option, the indicator will display signals when there is a change of character or break of structure. You can choose whether you only need signals for BOS, break of structure, or chalk, change of character, or both. 5. Show swing structure. Similar to the previously discussed internal structure, but the difference is that internal structure provides real-time data, whereas show swing structure utilizes a larger time frame. 6. Show strong, weak high, low. If you activate this option, the indicator will mark the areas of strong high and low prices. 7. Order block. Enabling this option will automatically mark detectable order block areas on the chart. You can choose whether to use real-time data according to the time frame or a larger time frame. If you prefer using only real-time data, you can activate the mark for internal order blocks. Meanwhile, if you want to use larger time frame data, you can activate the mark for swing order blocks. Additionally, you can adjust the number of order blocks you want to display. 8. Fair value gap. If activated, the indicator will indicate when there is a fair value gap in the market. 9. Highs and lows MTF. This option allows you to see the highest and lowest points based on the selected time frame. For example, if you choose the daily time frame, the indicator will display the daily highest and lowest price points. 10. Premium and discount zone. This option lets you observe premium and discount zones on the chart. Now, let's make some adjustments to the indicator. Leave the mode and style options at the default settings, then, check the box for color candles. For the show internal structure option, change it to BOS. This applies to both bullish structure and bearish structure. Next, uncheck the box for show swing structure. Afterward, also uncheck the boxes for show strong, weak high, low. Remove the checkmarks for equal high and equal low, as well as auto threshold. Once done, click OK. To make it easier to identify trends from the indicator, let's now go into the candlestick settings. After that, navigate to the settings above, select point 3 on the pair to enter the pair settings. Then, choose Hide. Now, let's add another indicator that we will use as a trigger for market entry. Go back to the Indicator Search tab. Then type Stochastic. Select the default stochastic from TradingView. Now, let's configure the settings for this stochastic oscillator. In the Input tab, change %K length to 10, %K smoothing to 3, and %D smoothing to 3 as well. Next, go to the Style column. In the Style column, change the upper band value to 75, and for the lower band, change it to 25. After that, click OK. If the candlestick color changes from red to green, the indicator detects a change of character from bearish to bullish. Conversely, if the candlestick color changes from green to red, the indicator detects a change of character from bullish to bearish. As for the stochastic indicator, its usage is similar to the general application of the stochastic indicator. When the signal line is below the level of 25, it indicates oversold conditions, and if the line is above the level of 75, it indicates overbought conditions. Now, for a clearer understanding, let's discuss how to place buy and sell orders using the smart money concept indicator. How to place a buy order. If the candlestick is green, your focus should be on identifying buy entry points. Wait until a bullish order block appears, ensuring that a break of structure has occurred, meaning the BOS signal has appeared. After the BOS signal or break of structure has occurred, wait for the price to correct until it touches the bullish order block area. Ensure that the stochastic oscillator line is in the oversold area. Then, wait until the %K line has crossed the %D line upwards. The last step is to confirm that the formed candlestick is a green one. If all conditions are met, you can enter the trade after the candlestick is closed. Place the stop loss below the bullish order block area. Target the take profit with a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a sell order. If the candlestick is red, your focus should be on identifying sell entry points. Wait until a bearish order block appears, ensuring that a break of structure has occurred, meaning the BOS signal has appeared. After the BOS signal or break of structure has occurred, wait for the price to correct until it touches the bearish order block area. Ensure that the stochastic oscillator line is in the overbought area. Then, wait until the %K line has crossed the %D line downwards. The last step is to confirm that the formed candlestick is a red one. If all conditions are met, you can enter the trade after the candlestick is closed. Place the stop loss above the bearish order block area. Target the take profit with a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. After discussing how to place buy and sell orders, this concludes our backtesting scenario. Now, let's conduct backtesting for 100 trades using the Smart Money Concept Indicator. After conducting the backtesting, here are the results. 1. When using this compounding entry data table, you only need to fill in the number of pips for stop loss, the number of pips for profit, and the initial capital. For detailed instructions on how to fill it out, please refer to the video description or find the link provided in the top right corner of the video. 2. This day trading backtesting utilizes the USD/JPY H1 pair. 3. This day trading strategy employs a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. 4. If we examine the account graph data below, it is evident that this day trading strategy exhibits a fairly stable growth. This can be observed from the graph, which moves quite steadily. We conducted 100 trades in this backtesting, with a total of 66 wins and 34 losses. Therefore, this day trading strategy has a win rate of 66%. 6. This day trading strategy yielded approximately 1,714 pips in profit during the backtesting. 7. If starting with an initial capital of around $1,000 and employing regular lot sizing with a compounding system, we can estimate profits to be around $214 with a 3% risk, $380 with a 5% risk, and $897 with a 10% risk. 8. Regarding account growth, we would see approximately 21% growth with a 3% risk, 38% growth with a 5% risk, and 90% growth with a 10% risk. 9. This day trading strategy achieved its largest win of 218 pips in a single trade, and its largest loss was minus 112 pips in one trade. 10. As a final piece of data, this day trading approach obtained consecutive wins 18 times and consecutive losses 5 times. That is the backtesting result data if you use regular lots with a compounding system. However, if you use greedy and irregular lot sizes, this is the trading data you will obtain. We recommend sticking to measured lots using the table we discussed earlier. Always maintain your money management and trading psychology. That concludes our video for today, and we'll see you in the next one.